Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be going through LeetCode problem 268, which is missing number. So this problem states, given an array nums containing n distinct numbers in the range 0 to n, return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. So in example 1, nums is equal to 301. So there's three numbers here. The missing number is 2. In the second example, we have two numbers, but the missing number is 2. And in the third example, the missing number, we have 9 numbers here, the missing number is 8. So, let's see how to code this. Alright, so we pass in the int array of numbers. We're going to pass back an int, which is the number that is missing. So the first thing we're going to do is create a hash set. I'll call it set and we'll instantiate it. Then for each number in nums, we're going to add that number to the set. So set will now contain all the numbers in nums. Now we'll make the expected num count equal to num's length plus 1. Then we're going to loop through each of the numbers, starting with 0, number is less than the expected num count, and number plus plus. So if the set contains the number, if the set does not contain the number, we'll return number. So basically, number is the counter from 0. So in the third example, we use 9. So number is the count from 0 to 9, because we increased the expected num count is nums plus 1. So we'll just go through, and if the set has that number, then we'll just continue to the next number. But as soon as it finds the number that is not in the set, it will return that number, and that is our answer. Now if we go all the way through and don't find it, then we'll just return -1. So let's debug this and see what happens. So I picked that third example. So the missing number here is 8. Let's go debug this. Okay, so we create the new hash set, and we're going to go through each number and add it to the set. So the set is 9, has the numbers 0 through 9, but 8 is missing. Expected number is 10. Now we're just going to loop through until we find the number that doesn't exist. So numbers 1 is in there, number 2 is in there, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we get to number 8. Well, it doesn't contain an 8, so now we're just going to return that, and that is our answer. All right, let's run this through LeetCode and see what we get. Looks like it's accepted. So faster than 24%, less than 34%. There are actually faster, more efficient solutions out there, but I feel this is the one that is the most understandable. Finally, we'll go through the space and time complexity. So time complexity is O of n. We have 2 for loops, and as the input, the num's input gets bigger, the time to go through all those numbers increases. Same with space complexity. If we increase the input parameter, then we're going to need more space to hold all those numbers. And that is it. So thanks once again for watching. Let me know if you have questions, and we'll see you next time.